How to create Snapchat account. Everything is done simply. First we need to open the Snapchat application, and now we are starting to register. Click sync up, then click OK and confirm everything. Now write your name and surname. Press continue and move on. This is where we have to state our date of birth. Repeat after me, just enter your details. It's almost done. There's 2 more items to go. Then write our password. The password should consist of 8 characters. After we wrote the password, we move on. Next we need to write your email, then click finish. Now we are asked to enter your phone number, but you can also skip this option. But I advise you no write. Confirm that this is our number. Here you can see our contacts that are already in the app and we can add them. Okay, our account is registered. Thank you all for watching, like and subscribe to the channel.